I have two kits is because I sent the first one in and they weren't able to extract the DNA, and that took like a month. So I was like, okay. I went ahead and sent them my second sample. I didn't put in any information. I didn't upload any pictures because I wanted to see how legit they were. You know, I didn't want to show a picture of what I look like. I don't know. Sketchily, I thought that they would use that and be like, oh, she looks like a certain way. You know, I don't know. So I didn't post that much information, just gave them my sample. Send you a kit, you activate the kit, give them your sample, mail it back, and yeah, you just wait for the results. Simple as that. And it took a while. I forgot that I had even done an AncestryDNA test because it was that long and I kept on checking. They give you updates of like where your sample is. Like we received it, it's in the lab now, they're extracting the DNA from it, but it takes a really long time. So I totally forgot about it, and then one day I was like, you know what, I forgot, I need to check, and finally I had the results. I was amazed at what the results ended up being. I always knew definitely Spain was gonna be one of them on there. Here are my results. I got Indigenous Americas 43%, and Spain 37%, Basque 5%, Senegal 2%, Cameroon, Congo, and Western Bantu peoples 2%, Northern Africa 2%, Portugal 2%, Mali 1%, Ivory Coast and Ghana 1%, Arabian Peninsula 1%, Cyprus 1%, Malta 1%, Sardinia 1%, Wales 1%, and Jewish people of Europe less than 1%. The chart, and of course if you just want to click on one, it'll show you your percentage from which parent you got the most percentage that makes up that ethnicity. Oh, it breaks it down for you in percentages as well, from each parent, what you received to make that total. Like all the people, like all the people that you match with. It shows me all the people that match with me. Appears I have someone that matches with me in Hawaii. A lot of people across the US, almost someone in every state. It's pretty interesting. Some of these have pictures, but I don't see the resemblance. As our DNA halves through generations of 1% of that ethnicity likely entered your bloodline 7 generations ago, this means that it would have been one of your great grandparents that brought this ethnicity into your bloodline. And so for a 1% DNA result, you would be looking at around 7 generations. This would go back to your times 5 great grandparent. Well, this may be confusing to you. It's not. You have 50% DNA from each parent, just like your parents have 50% DNA from both of your grandparents, and so on. Okay. Oh, it shows chromosome painter up here. So chromosome painter, it'll take you to your chromosome and the percentages. Parent 1, parent 2, the chromosomes. Say I click on the first one, Indigenous Americas, it'll show me like the percentages within those chromosomes. If I click on the next one, Spain, there you have it. It highlights how much you have in the chromosomes. That's the new stuff that I had not seen before. So they did an update, and now they included the breakdown. So they're always constantly updating this stuff. So let's go back to the map.
let's say for example you want to know more about that region, you just click over.
Click Northeast Mexico and it'll give me a timeline with more information. If you click on 1750, it'll take you to that time in history and so on.
I will say this, can't remember what box I got first, but as you can see, one's like darker, like a dark green blue and a cobalt blue. One has the skew and the other one where it should have the skew doesn't have it. This right here has like a little tape over something. This one doesn't, but it says country of origin China. I mean, it says China right there. I don't know if you can see that. So I don't know, could they be taking, could they have said, oh, you know, we need more of your DNA, but we'll send you another kit for free? I don't know. I'm just saying, you know, making up stuff. Thinking, it's just kind of weird. I was looking at the difference in boxes because I paid for the first one and they weren't able to extract the DNA and get results from it, so they very kind of sent me another one for free. And yeah, finally took it and got my results. But yeah, like, that's the difference. It has, this one has tape on it and the other one doesn't. So I don't know. But yeah, that concludes this video on Ancestry DNA. It's pretty wild and interesting. I wonder what the other ones, I'm kind of curious about taking other tests as well, such as like your genetics and stuff, that go more in depth of like other things, you know. But yeah, I hope this helps if you kind of wanted to take the Ancestry DNA test. It's pretty interesting. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps answer some questions or curiosity of Ancestry DNA tests.